We're here at the home of Janet and Max Wonger, just north of Alva, and we're in their backyard. And Janet, you've got a beautiful oasis back here.
Well, thank you very much.
So I know you get a lot of wind up here.
Yes,
You're kind of on a hill north of Alva.
We are, yes we are.
And is it hot usually in the summer?
It's usually very hot and very windy up through here. There's not a lot of wind break, so we get a lot of the wind, yes.
Well, I love this kind of little oasis you've created. You've got a lot of water features.
I do.
And what are some of the plants that you have found that are really tough and can handle these conditions?
Well, Gaillardias is one of them. It's really been a good plant. It comes back every year for me. I haven't lost very many of them, and yeah, we really like that.
Yeah, you've got quite a few up there. I mean, I know some homeowners have issues with them not reseeding, but yours seem to be doing well.
It's done very well, very well.
Fortunately, we've gotten some June rain for you here. Is that greening things up?
Yes, that's unusual for this time of year for us, for sure.
So you've got several crepe myrtles around as well. Can you tell us about those?
Yes, we started with crepe myrtles a long time ago, and we have had really good luck with them. I have them just all over the yard. Different sizes. I try to do things that work with the landscape and different colors.
Yeah.
And I've really had good luck with them too. So.
Well, and what I really like that you've done is you've used the right size crepe myrtles for some of your placements and everything instead of having to worry about cutting them back.
Yeah, I don't have to do that. Yeah, I have some that's really dwarf, and then I have some that's the taller, 4 or 5 foot, and just make it work with my landscape. Yeah.
So you're a rose gardener too. Can you tell us a little bit about some of your roses?
Oh, I have mostly shrub roses or floribundas because they do look better in our climate. It's just really hot and dry, and we don't get a lot of rain, so you need to have something that's going to work, and that does best for me. I do have one tea rose, but it's a Chrysler Imperial, which is one that I really, really like and had good luck with it, but mainly it's floribundas.
Okay. And have you seen any issues with rose rosette or anything?
No, I haven't.
Okay, that's good.
I hope not.
To know that it hasn't gotten out here to your backyard anyway.
Yeah.
Well, I love this beautiful arbor that you have here. Does your husband help create some of these features?
Yes, he did. He built this for me several years ago. Welded this together.
And it looks like it might hold up to this
wisteria.
Wisteria, yeah.
Yes, it has really well. We've enjoyed it.
Well, Janet, this is just a lovely little oasis, and thank you for sharing it with us.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Appreciate you coming.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.